The avocado, one of agriculture's most nutritious and commercially valuable foods. Avocado growers face many challenges producing a successful harvest: drought, mites, zinc deficiency, and high sodium and chloride levels. The solution? BAM-FX. This application, at a dilution rate of only 2.5 ounces of BAM-FX per gallon of water, is very cost-effective and easy to use. Because BAM-FX delivers micro and macronutrients to plants systemically, the avocado trees can better deal with environmental stress. The formula is scientifically based, a balanced ratio of bioavailable minerals. BAM-FX helps trees grow stronger roots, increase new leaf growth, produce larger fruit with higher yield, and become more drought resistant. BAM-FX can increase the avocado tree's zinc levels and other important macro and micronutrients like nitrogen, boron, copper, magnesium, and calcium. It biofortifies the fruit, makes trees more resilient, and can reduce your fertilizer requirements. BAM-FX, your customized solution for almost anything that grows.